Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Blenda Jet is probably one of the most versatile and powerful kitchen appliances you can add to your arsenal, capable of tackling everything from silky smooth smoothies and creamy soups to grinding nuts and pureeing baby food with unparalleled ease and speed. Its robust motor and precision-engineered blades work in harmony to deliver consistently perfect results, making meal preparation faster, healthier, and more enjoyable than ever before, transforming everyday ingredients into culinary masterpieces right in your own home. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 51131G Personal Smoothie Blender. Create delicious fruit smoothies, shakes, and icy drinks right in this portable 14 ounces travel jar. Then, just grab it and go. It's lightweight and fits perfectly in most car cup holders. Its durable stainless steel blades effortlessly crush ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens for perfectly smooth results. Easily add more vitamins and nutrients to your diet with your favorite drinks. Prepare smoothies, shakes, and more with just the press of a button. It's incredibly simple to use for all your blending needs. Cleanup is a breeze. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance effortless. This blender is built to last, designed for durability, and even includes overheat protection. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. Its compact design and convenient cord wrap allow for neat storage almost anywhere. Keep your countertop tidy with this space-saving appliance. No more extra measuring cups. The durable blending jar features clear measuring lines, eliminating guesswork for perfect recipes every time. What we like? This one is perfect for busy mornings. If you need to quickly blend a smoothie and take it straight out the door, this is your best bet. Its compact design also means it won't take up much counter space. What people say? The blender is very powerful and can crush ice easily. It has a sleek design that looks great on the countertop. The different speed settings allow for versatile blending options. Number 4. Nutribullet NBR 0601WM Blender. Embark on a journey to a healthier lifestyle with the original Nutribullet. It provides everything you need to begin making positive changes. Quickly and easily transform fruits, vegetables, and more into delicious, nutritious smoothies. Get essential nutrients into your body in no time. With 600 watts of power, it effortlessly turns even tough ingredients like spinach into perfectly smooth, sippable nutrition. Its user-friendly design makes it a daily essential. Operation is as simple as pushing down, twisting, and blending. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse the blades and place the cups in the dishwasher. Enjoy healthy living without the fuss. This complete package includes the powerful motor base, extractor blade, cup, to-go lid, and a recipe book for convenient use and portability. What we like? For those starting their health journey, this is an excellent choice. Its powerful motor handles fruits and vegetables with ease, and the included recipe book makes it simple to get started. If you want a straightforward way to boost your nutrient intake, consider this. What people say? The Blenda Jet is incredibly powerful and blends smoothies in seconds. I love the sleek design of the Blenda Jet. It looks great on my countertop. The Blenda Jet is very easy to clean, which is a huge plus for me. Number 3. Ninja Blast BC151ND Portable Blender. Experience the ultimate convenience with our portable blender. It's designed to crush frozen ingredients, allowing you to create perfectly smooth drinks wherever life takes you. This powerful device can hold up to 18 ounces of your favorite ingredients. Make larger batches of smoothies and shakes to enjoy. Express your personal style with a range of attractive colors. Choose the one that best complements your aesthetic. Take your creations with you easily thanks to the comfortable, hinged carry handle. It's designed for your active lifestyle. The innovative sip lid allows you to blend your drink and then enjoy it directly from the same vessel. No need for extra cups. Cleaning is a breeze as the lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. It even features a self-cleaning function for quick maintenance. Our unique ribbed vessel design, combined with durable stainless steel blades, creates a powerful vortex. It effortlessly pulverizes ice and frozen fruits for silky smooth results. What we like? If you value portability and blending power on the go, this is the one. Its cordless design and USB-C charging mean you can blend anywhere, and the blast blade technology ensures smooth results. It's ideal for outdoor adventures or busy commutes. What people say. The blender is powerful and blends smoothly. Easy to clean and store. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. Portable USB Travel Blender. Introducing our portable blender, designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. It's lightweight, cordless, and doubles as a drink container, making it incredibly convenient. With versatile USB charging, you can power it up using your phone, laptop, or power bank. Enjoy fresh blends wherever your adventures take you. This powerful device effortlessly creates smoothies, juices, and even baby food. It's also a water bottle, so you can even fill it with hot water. Equipped with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can blend up to 20 times on a single charge. Enjoy extended use without constant recharging. Simply ensure the cup is properly aligned with the base and charge it for about 3 hours before first use. The indicator light will show you when it's ready. Crafted from durable, BPA-free ABS materials, it's perfect for your health and safety. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. What we like. This portable blender is fantastic for versatility and convenience. With its long-lasting rechargeable battery and ability to blend hot water, it's perfect for travel or making baby food. If you need a self-contained blending solution that's easy to charge anywhere, this is it. What people say. The blender is very powerful and crushes ice with ease. It has multiple speed settings that allow for a variety of blending tasks. The pitcher is made of durable glass and is easy to clean. Number 1. Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro BN401. Experience unparalleled blending power with its 1100 peak watt motor. It effortlessly crushes ice into snow and tackles tough ingredients for perfectly smooth results every time. Achieve perfect smoothies and crushed ice with AutoIQ's intelligent one-touch presets. These unique programs take the guesswork out of blending for consistent, delicious drinks. Discover the full nutritional potential of your ingredients. Its specialized blades break down whole fruits and vegetables, unlocking vitamins and nutrients you might otherwise miss. Create your drinks directly in the convenient to-go cups. Simply attach the spout lid and take your healthy creations with you wherever your day takes you. This compact blender fits perfectly on any countertop. Its intuitive controls make it incredibly easy to use, allowing you to start blending in seconds. Get started with delicious possibilities right away. An included recipe guide provides inspiration for smoothies, sauces, dips, and more, perfect for everyday meal prep. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Its flexible cord placement makes it convenient for any kitchen setup. What we like. For serious smoothie enthusiasts who want maximum power and convenience, this is the top pick. Its high wattage motor and AutoIQ presets deliver perfect results every time, and it excels at nutrient extraction. If you're looking for professional-grade blending at home for creamy frozen drinks and nutrient-rich smoothies, this is your machine. What people say. The Blenda Jet is a powerful blender that can handle tough ingredients. Its sleek design looks great on any countertop. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different blending needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.